September is a tragic month, at least for students, because it means returning to school, including tests, quizzes, and homework. Just like I can't help with the first two because it's your problem, and I don't care if you didn't learn again because you were playing CSGO or other Valorant games, and I can help with housework, but only a little. Well, unless you pay. Many of you have probably made presentations for biology or another random school subject in order to increase your poor grade or simply to pass. Most, or even all, copied everything from Wikipedia and prayed that the teacher wouldn't check it. But despite the lack of your own effort, it took a while. So what if you created a presentation generator using AI? Okay, let's start with anything. Since I know that most of you don't even know what code I'm writing, because you came here just to not do your homework, don't worry, I understand. I don't know what I'm doing either. So in a nutshell, the program will work by sending a query to Google's Bard AI, in which the user will enter the topic they want to write about. Then we will put the generated answer in the form of a PowerPoint slide. From additions we can add a title, bold the first sentence, and perhaps detect a numbered list. That's all you need to know. After all, in IT anyway, all you do is Excel or Paint. Let's first try to generate it manually. For example, let's check some simplest topic like top 5 most animals. Okay, I did a little mining behind the camera and I'll just show it with an example of the previous 30 tests. Wow, amazing! It wasn't generated at all 2 weeks ago. The important thing is that it works. But not with me. Everything runs like Malaysian Airlines. For me, time saved, time for CSGO. If you are desperate enough, there is a link to the code in the comment. If you are brave enough, send such a presentation to your teacher. And if you get an error, it's strange, because it works for me.